Sasa wanajaribu kila njia kuharibu mikutano ya upinzani. I want to say that it is regrettable that we have any loss of life. And I think, as Fred has said, one life lost is one too many. We want the security for our people. It is the responsibility of any government in office to ensure peace and security of its citizens. But what you are witnessing with William Ruto administration is desperation. But we want to remind them that Kenya is a signatory member of the Rome Statute, the International Criminal Court. There's an attempt to get out of it, but of course Kenyans walikata. And the issue is very simple. Any officer or person in authority bearing the highest responsibility, I see my learned friend Kembe Gitura agreeing, is the one that will be held accountable even before the ICC. And as Rigathi has said, we are documenting every police action. And it is not a matter of trying to please ourselves. Yale amesema Rigathi ni wazi kwamba mwaka ujao Mungu atujalie. This is the alternative, this is united alternative government. So don't think that Rigathi it's kind of wishful thinking. This is the reality. The reality as we speak this morning is the country is galvanized on one agenda, that William Ruto will serve one term, if indeed he is allowed to serve that one term.